Have you ever wanted to know how to install the doors on the Atlas AR747-400 Interactive Series or any other Gemini Jets Interactive Series model? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install them properly, and we're going to do the Gemini Jets Atlas AR747-400 as a demonstration. I believe this method should work both on the 747-400 and the 747-800 in 1:400 scale, and the method should work on the 1-200 Interactive Series models as well. However, I'll be demonstrating it here today with the Atlas AR747-400 in 1:400 scale. Speaking of September 2021 sets, I have the Gemini Jets September 2021 releases, the Interactive Series Atlas AR747. So let's take a look at these. Next we have the Interactive Series 747. This will be my first Interactive Series in 1:400 scale. Now my Interactive Series experience with the 1:200 scale was not that great, so let's see how it is here in 1:400 scale. So once again, there are all the parts here for the Interactive Series. These are for the sides, and then we have the nose cone here. Now the nose, from my experience, not too bad to deal with. It's these side pieces that are kind of the pain in the butt. But let's take the model out of the packaging anyway. Take a look at it. Typical 747 cradle from Gemini Jets, except you got these extra pieces. Let's take the model out first. The model itself looks pretty good. Yeah. And you can take off the nose pretty easily. That's just a magnet, like they should have done with the other pieces, Gemini Jets. But yeah, just a little magnet in there, and it comes out pretty simply. It has got a low deck, all that sort of details. Pretty decently detailed. And this one fits on pretty decently on the nose, at least. Yeah. So I think I'll probably get more of the Interactive Series 747s. Because of the issues I've had with these, I'm probably not going to take off the doors on the side, although it looks like there's a little hole here where you can just use the little piece you can get with it to take them off. So that's an improvement over the 1-200 ones, because the 1-200 ones did not come with that, so that should make it easier to take off. This is the new 747 mold. Wow, that mold looks really good. I'm just taking a look at the mold. Atlas AR. Wow, this looks amazing. So far, the new JC Wings Slant Gemini Jet 747 mold looks fantastic. So I'll be very happy to get some more. The model also comes with this removal tool right in here, which is very important for removing the little pieces. So we'll take a look at that here when we look at the details of the model. Finally, we have the Atlas AR747. I'm going to show you the model as it would be with the doors closed, and then I'll show you what it looks like with the door open. I'll show you how to open those. Alright, so here we go. We've got the nose cone, got the L1 door, we've got some windows up top where I assume the crew rest and such are. Atlas AR titles. These look amazing. Of course, we got the 747 engines. I believe these are the GE engines. That's what Atlas AR has on their aircraft. They also have their little logo, the little globe there. I believe that's supposed to be Saturn or Titan holding up the globe. We have one of the doors back here, and we have the globe title here. We have one of the doors here, and then another door back here, so you guys can see what the detail looks like. It actually looks pretty good with the doors on, not too bad, to be honest. So taking a look at all the parts you get, here are the doors showing the corresponding doors that they match to, and on the bottom right you can see the ejection tool that you use to remove the doors from the aircraft. Removing the forward door is quite easy. You just take it off by hand. It's just a magnet, so it's quite easy to come off, except for when I want to do this demonstration. And then this one, the replacement door, has some little pieces on it. You want to be careful when you line these up because there's 4 pieces. It also doesn't want to stay in my hand very well, but there's little 4 pieces, and you guide them up to some pieces there in the nose of the aircraft, and you can just put them in that way. You do want to be careful with that, so I'm going to put the camera down and do this by hand. Once you get them in, it should look like this. The little white pieces go in the slots just below the cockpit windows, and the little silver pieces, there's little spots for them down below. Those essentially act like tensioners to help keep the door up. But that is not too difficult to put up. With all 3 of the side doors, you can see there's that little black hole there. You will insert the tool in there, push until the end of the tool is all the way in, and then the door will pop out. This is what it should look like when the tool is all the way in. Now this side door here to be particularly difficult to get out, so once I was able to pry with the tool to get out this far, I would then use my fingernail from the top of the door to get the rest of the door out. Like that. For both of the smaller cargo doors, I found just the pry tool itself was all that was needed to get the doors out. Putting in the doors is actually super easy. Because of the doors, there's this little tab. You just slide it into the top of the doorway and you have it in. It is the same for the other two side doors as well. I will save this portion of Massive Unboxing 10 and make it into its own separate video so y'all can watch how to properly install and remove the doors from the Interactive Series 747s, as hopefully that can help out some of y'all, because I know some people have had some difficulty removing and putting the doors in, so hopefully this video can help you out. Overall, it's pretty simple to do it once you figure out how to do it, but Gemini Jets doesn't really show you properly how to do it, so hopefully this video is a great tutorial for y'all. Once you do get all the doors open, the model looks gorgeous with the doors open, and you can put up a lot of GSC to the aircraft and make it look really nice. I currently do not have any proper cargo GSC, but hopefully that'll change here in the future and I can do a proper cargo GSC setup and make it look really, really nice. Fantasy Wings, you want to sponsor my channel? So with that being said, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching the video, and God bless you.